Hey, good day everybody. Coach Andy O'Brien with Action Coach Wilco. I want to talk to you about an event coming up in February called BusinessRich. During BusinessRich, which is a 2-day event, the first thing you need to know is money back guarantee. What other workshops can you go to where the master coach of the firm will stand in front of you and tell you if you don't get a plan and business strategies and walk away with them, I'll give you your money back? That's me. So let's talk about some of the simple things we're going to be talking about. We're going to talk about over 100 strategies. So let's pull out some. Leading in COVID, right? We're still in COVID. It's not going anywhere. You as a business owner, let's talk about leadership. It's different. We're going to be talking about the 17-point pivot checklist during COVID. We're going to be talking about marketing in COVID, sales in COVID. We're going to talk about building profit into your business every day, COVID or not. You should be doing that. We're going to be talking about over 100 areas. Now, I know that's a lot of information, but click the link below. You're going to see lots of other information for this event in February. We're very excited to bring it to you. And again, we're giving you a money back guarantee. So join us in February for BusinessRich. I thank you for your time.